Hello there! I have this elephant bush that is in dire need of repotting. The leaves are turning yellow mainly because the plant is in very old soil that's been depleted of nutrients. It's also not draining fast enough. Now that it's winter here, we're getting a lot of rain again and the temperatures are dropping. I'm repotting these into fresh potting mix that's also very fast draining to give it the best chance of surviving the wet and cold winter outdoors. But first, let me untangle this mess. Just removing as much of the old soil as possible. As you can see, the roots are healthy and quite long. Trimming the roots is a good idea when repotting to help with nutrient absorption and to help promote healthier growth. I prepared a fast-draining cactus potting mix right here. If you find stems that have fallen off, just stick them back in the soil and let them root and propagate on their own. I'm adding some finishing touches. I've decided that fairies live in this elephant bush forest after all. By the way, I made a video on 7 common problems with elephant bush that I will link down below. It's full of helpful information, so please check it out. I'm satisfied with how this elephant bush forest planter turned out. I'm feeling confident that with this fresh potting mix, the leaves will start turning green over time and look happy and healthy again. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. I have a playlist of related topics that you can check out down below. Thanks for stopping by and as always, happy gardening! Bye!